I will show you how to get the best animal face-off of your life. Bear versus bison. It's strength versus size, and it's about to get wild. First up, the bear, nature's furry powerhouse. Bears can run fast, climb trees, and have jaws that could crush a coconut. But don't count out the bison. These grass-munching tanks weigh over a ton, run up to 35 miles per hour, and can smash through snow or fences like it's nothing. Who wins? Well, in real life, both usually walk away, because even the toughest bear thinks twice before messing with a bison. It's a tie for survival, and that's what makes wildlife amazing.